What's going on, guys? BERTDELASPEED here, back again, and today in this tutorial we'll be talking about linear search. Okay, so what is linear search? Linear search is a search in which, for example, when you have an array of this size and you get five, what is it, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, suppose in the array we putting the elements 2, 1, 4, 7, and say 0. Okay, all right. Suppose we're looking for the element 4. We'll be looking through the array. Starting from here, this will be the 0 position, the first starting from 0. Okay, so this is going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, it's going to be 4. So the array size is going to be 5. Okay, so starting from 0 to 4, that's going to be 5. 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like counting from 0, it's going to be 5. So suppose we're looking for the element 4. We'll be checking in the first place. We'll check this one. If this one is not equal, if 2 is not equal to 4, that means it's not that one. All right, so we're looking for we'll go to the second. It's going to be +1, then +1. Once we find it, we stop. Okay, so that's what we're going to do today. So let's go here and create a new file. All right, let's name it lin search. Okay, so what do we need? First we need an array. So to declare an array, we just create it this way, and then we're gonna say we'll ask the user the array size. Okay, so int input enter array size. Okay, then what do? We'll put the position to -1 to make sure that when you don't find it, when you don't find it, that means it's not in the table, it's not in the array. So if it's -1, that means you didn't find it, so it's not there in the table. You'll understand when we go to the end. So print, we'll say print input array elements. All right, so now that we asking the user to input the element, we'll go for the loop. So we say for I in range 0 till the array size, which is n, item equals input. So we're taking the value that the user is going to input. So now we're taking the value and we're putting it in the array. So it's array.append item. All right, so now we'll be looking for an element. How do we name that element? We'll name the element key, and we say int input enter the element to be searched. All right, so after that, now that we have the element we're looking for, let's make another loop for I in range 0 to n. For I in range 0 to n, what do? We look for it and we check all the elements with the values in the array. So we'll say if array of I equals key. All right, so we'll say the position is going to be the I position. Right, now the other thing we're going to do is if you look through all the elements and you didn't find it, so we say if the position is still equals to -1, that means we didn't find it. So we'll print element the element key. The element key is not found. All right, otherwise we'll say print element key has been found at position plus 1, because it's starting from 0. So if you do plus 1, you get the right position. Now let's just run it and see how it works. Should have gone back again here. Alright, okay, every time I'm making the same mistake. Alright. Yeah, perfect. Now let's run it again. So enter array size. So let's say 5. Okay, 5. And I say the array is 1, 2, 5, 7, 9. Okay. And I will look for the element, the fifth, number 5. We look for 5. Alright, so we're looking for 5. And I say element 5 has been found at position number 3. So if you count 1, 2, and 3, yeah, it's exactly at number 3. So when you take it here, alright, so we're having an array this way with we said 1 here, 2, 5, 7, and 9. Okay, so starting here, it's gonna check this one first. We're looking for this one. We're looking for this one. So it's gonna check this one first. Is this one equal this one? No. Is this one equal this one? No. And once you've taken 5, yeah, that's right, 5 equals 5. So that's how you do the linear search in Python. So that's about it for this video. If you like the content, if you liked it, like this video, subscribe, and we'll do more interesting things from the get going. All right, see you. Peace.